In this quick guide, we'll cover how to unblock contact on iPhone without any hassle. The first method is to do it from the phone app. Launch the phone app on your iPhone and search for the contact you want to unblock. Scroll to the last and tap on Unblock this caller. In the same way, we can unblock known or unknown contact from the recent contact list. Find the contact you want to block under the Recent tab that's not saved in your contact. Tap on I button next to contact name and tap on Unblock this caller option. Now, the second method uses the Settings app. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll to Apps in the last. Search for Phone app settings and again scroll to Block the Contacts option. See the list of blocked contacts. Scroll to last for recently blocked contacts. Swipe left to see the unblock option and unblock your contact. That's remove it from this list. Now this contact wants to call, message and make a FaceTime call to you. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any question or suggestion, then comment below. Please like, share and subscribe to receive daily free tech guide.